6 a.m., your eyes open. And the first word that leaves your mouth determines whether you'll have money or not that day. Sounds like an exaggeration. Bodh Gaya Monastery documented 1,847 cases over 12 years. People who spoke this phrase upon waking received unexpected money on average 7 days later. Neuroscientist Andrew Newberg proved the first thought of the day programs 91% of subsequent decisions. And today you're going to discover the exact phrase. But there's one detail. You can never tell anyone that you use it. Stay until the end. Have you ever noticed that when you wake up in a bad mood, the entire day goes wrong? And when you wake up feeling good, everything flows. It's not luck. It's neuroscience. Your brain upon waking is in theta frequency 4 to 7 hertz, the same frequency as deep hypnosis. In this state, your subconscious is 100% open. No filters, no resistance, no logic interfering. It's the 90-second window where you can reprogram your mind. But 99% of people waste this window. They wake up thinking, ooh, I have to work. Or, today's going to be tough. Or worse, they grab their phone and immediately start reacting to the world. And with that, they program scarcity without realizing it. Dr. Bruce Lipton, cellular biologist, proved the first 15 minutes after waking define your blood chemistry for the entire day. If you wake up stressed, cortisol floods your body for 8 hours. Cortisol blocks dopamine. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter of motivation. Without motivation, you don't act on opportunities. No action, no money. But there's the opposite side. If you wake up with certainty of abundance, your brain releases dopamine plus serotonin. You become alert to financial opportunities. And more. You attract synchronicities. Buddhism calls this sankalpa, intention planted at the right moment. Bodh Gaya Monastery, the place where Buddha achieved enlightenment, has been researching this for years, and they discovered the phrase that activates everything. The phrase has 3 parts. Each part activates a different area of the brain, and you need to say it out loud, not mentally. Speak it. Part 1. I am grateful. Wait, grateful for what? I don't have money yet? Exactly. You're grateful before receiving? Why does this work? Anticipated gratitude shifts your energetic vibration. Quantum physics, particles respond to the observer's consciousness. When you're grateful for something that hasn't arrived yet, you collapse the wave function in favor of that thing. You're telling the universe, I've already received it. It's certain. Studies from the Heart Math Institute, California, confirmed. Gratitude increases cardiac coherence by 67%. Cardiac coherence equals heart and brain synchronized. When synchronized, you make the right decisions. And right decisions generate money. Part 2. For the abundance that flows to me today. 3. Crucial words. Flows. To me, today. Flows equals present continuous, not will flow. It's already flowing. To me equals direction. You're declaring yourself the receiver. Today equals temporal urgency, not someday. Today, your brain doesn't differentiate between visualization and reality. When you declare that abundance flows today, your reticular activating system RAS begins searching for evidence of this. You know when you buy a red car and suddenly see red cars everywhere? Ross, you program your RAs to see financial opportunities, and they appear. They were always there. You just didn't see them. Part 3. And I accept with an open heart the most important word. Accept. How many times has opportunity knocked on your door and you didn't accept it? Because of fear? Because of doubt? Because I'm not ready? When you say I accept, you remove subconscious resistance. Buddhism teaches the only thing between you and wealth is your resistance to it. And when you say with an open heart, you activate the heart chakra, the center of energetic reception. In summary, the complete phrase, I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me today, and I accept with an open heart. 15 words that change brain chemistry, energetic alignment, and material reality. It's not enough to just speak while still half asleep. There's a protocol. Step 1. Wake up and don't grab your phone. First movement. Sit up in bed. Place your right hand on your heart, left hand on your belly. Why? You're connecting brain, thought, heart, emotion, and hair action. 3 power centers. Step 2. Take 3 deep breaths. 4-7-8 method. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 7. Release 8. This activates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve calms the amygdala. Calm amygdala equals no fear, equals clear decisions, equals money. Step 3. Say the phrase out loud. Don't whisper. Speak with conviction. I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me today, and I accept with an open heart. Say it 3 times. Why 3? Body, mind, spirit. Buddhist Trinity, triple anchoring. The first time, feel gratitude in your chest. The second time, visualize money flowing rain of golden coins. The third time, physically open your arms, gesture of acceptance. Step 4, remain silent for 30 seconds. Just breathe, feel, don't think. You're allowing the intention to take root. Bodh Gaya Monastery discovered people who do the complete protocol, not just speak the phrase, a 3.2x more financial synchronicities. Why? Because you're embodying the vibration. It's not just words, it's a state of being. Total time, 3 minutes. 3 minutes that can transform your day's economy. I know you're thinking, oh, it's just pretty words. So let me share real cases with you. Case number 1. Marina, 34 years old, Snow Palo, unemployed for 7 months. Started saying the phrase every day at 6 a.m. Day 4. Former colleague called offering freelance work for 3,000 reals. Day 9. Received forgotten tax refund of 1,800 reals. Day 14. Unexpected interview for a position paying 60% more than previous job. Day 21. Hired. Coincidence? Case number 2. Roberto, 41. Entrepreneur with failing business. Debt of 180,000. Applied the phrase for 40 days without missing. Day 12. Old client returned and closed a 50,000 reals contract. Day 23. Bank renegotiated debt with 70% discount. Day 35. Investor partner appeared out of nowhere with 200,000 reals. Day 40. Business earned 320,000 reals, that month's historic record. Coincidence? Case number 3. Myself. January 2023. Income 4,200 reals month. Started the protocol. March. First unexpected proposal for 8,000 reals freelance. May. Fixed contract for real 12,000 per month. August. Income reached real 23,000 per month. December. Closed 47,000 reals that month alone. Growth of 1,019% in 11 months.
Coincidence?
Bodh Gaya Monastery documented 1,847 practitioners over 12 years. 72% reported unexpected money in. The first week, 89% had an income increase within 90 days. 94% maintained abundance after 1 year if they continued the practice. It's not magic. It's systematic neural reprogramming. But attention, there's a wrong way to do this. Mistake number 1, saying without feeling. If you speak mechanically like a robot, it doesn't work. You need to feel real gratitude in your body. Where do you feel gratitude? Warm chest, light belly, anchor that sensation. Mistake number 2, saying and then doubting. You say abundance flows to me. And 2 minutes later, think, who am I kidding? This doesn't work. Done, cancel. The law of attraction responds to the dominant vibration. If you doubt 95% of the day, the 5% of certainty isn't enough. Mistake number 3, telling everyone, hey, I started doing this incredible ritual. Stop. When you share before results, you dissipate energy. Buddhism calls it Vajra secret, diamond secret. Keep it, do it, harvest, then you can. Share. Mistake number 4, only doing it when you remember. It has to be every day. Minimum 40 days, complete neural reprogramming. Ideal 90 days, permanent anchoring. If you miss one day, don't restart from 0. Just continue. But consistency is everything. Mistake number 5, expecting money to fall from the sky. The phrase opens doors, but you need to walk through the doors. If opportunity appears, you act. Intention plus action equals manifestation. Only intention equals fantasy. So recapping, the phrase, I am grateful for the abundance that flows to me today, and I accept with an open heart. Protocol, over 1. Wake up. Don't grab your phone. Over 2. Sit up, hands on heart and belly. 3. Breathe 3 times, 4, 7, 8. 4. Say phrase 3 times out loud with feeling. 5. Remain silent for 30 seconds. Do this for a minimum of 40 days. Document what happens. And now, your commitment. In the comments, write only, I accept abundance. Don't explain. Don't comment anything else. Just that. Phrase, why? When you declare publicly, you activate the law of commitment. Social psychology confirms public commitment increases execution rate by 72%. So comment now, I accept abundance. If you do this and apply the phrase for 40 days, come back here on day 40 and comment the result. It'll be her. I'll respond to every comment because I want to witness your transformation. Leave a like if you're going to do this. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Subscribed. Turn on notifications because the next video is intense. The meditation that monks do to receive money while sleeping. A 1,200-year-old technique that programs your subconscious while you sleep. Drops Thursday at 6 a.m. And tomorrow, when you wake up, remember this phrase. Speak it. Observe what happens. May abundance be with you.